Hello, this is Henry Cheng. This is my art of life. 大家好。
Hello all, I want to share with you a painting with a simple composition. In this work, I chose bamboo as the subject. This painting brings to life a Chinese saying,
寧可食無肉，不可居無竹。無肉令人瘦，無竹令人俗。所以竹呢
In Chinese culture, bamboo brings a sense of tranquility and grace. Because of that, we like to grow bamboo in our houses and yards.
方面呢，我就寫咗一首詩。呢首詩呢就有少少。
I wrote a poem with an educational overtone to go with this painting. Let me now recite the poem.
塵無物可依，豈用忽無物？若可明達此，不用費心思。昨日設齋宴，今朝吃狗肉。口作出家人，心為出家業。如此背天地，得道都難成事啊！
I hope this poem reminds my audience to match their action with their words.
可以口是心非，或者係講一套做一套。
A couple of seals at the bottom here decorating this painting. One of them reads Scholar Chen in seal script.
呢個篆書嚟寫呢個印章。
The balance between the placement of the poem and the bamboo become the primary consideration of this composition. I greatly appreciate your visit today, and I hope you share my program with your friends and family. Thank you.
多謝各位。